Mama said, you're a pretty girl. What's in your head? It doesn't matter.
Hi guys, so today I'm showing you how to turn a regular mirror into a vanity mirror. So I got my mirror, I don't know where I got this mirror. I think it was like an old headboard, a mirror dresser board, and I just took the wood off of it. Got these lights off of Amazon. This is the little adapter. You'll be able to adjust the brightness and all of that on your light. This is how the lights look. And so I had some lights on my mirror before, so you can kind of see where the stickers were. I'm just gonna keep those on there and follow where I have my other stickers. So the lights look like this. They're string lights. They have a sticky tab on the back where you can take that off and then place it on your mirror. So I'm just gonna do that. First, I like to take off all of the, what are these called? Not zip ties, but the twist ties. Take off all the twist ties. There's gonna be 4 across. 1, 2, 3, 4 across and 3 down. So I'm gonna start from the bottom. I'm gonna take off the little sticky tab. And I'm just gonna place it where I previously had my other light. And I'm gonna place it with the wires going towards the back because I'm gonna tape the wires in the back. So place it with the wire, stick it with the wire side towards the back. This side needs to be, I forgot to mention at the beginning, but this side needs to be closer to your plug because this is going to plug into the adapter and the adapter is going to plug into the wall. So whatever side your nearest outlet is at, that's where this piece needs to be. My outlet is on the right side, so I have my last piece with the outlet part on the right side. The wires to the back side. So I'll show you with this side first. I'm going to take this so that the wires are hidden, and I'm just going to tape it to the back like that. So be careful when you're flipping it that you don't damage your bulbs. So I'm just going to tuck the wire. I'm just going to tuck, let me zoom in. So just gonna take this and tuck the wire under and behind this part with some tape, just making sure that the wire is not showing on the front end. So I'm just taking the wire and securing it behind the mirror. Do one more so you guys can see. Just making sure that the wire is in this crease of the light on both ends, and then pulling it back and taping it to the mirror. I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back and show you guys the brightness, how to plug the adapter in, and the finished product. Alright, so I also wanted to mention before I plug it all in that the box comes with extra tabs, so if your sticky thing comes off, you have some extra ones to replace it. The lights are really cheap. I'll leave a link to the Amazon page down below. But the last thing to do is to plug it in. So took out the little twist tie for the adapter, and I'm going to plug this into the wall. And then you just take the piece that I told you to put closer to your wall, plug that in, and then there's a little button that activates the lights. And you can dim it By holding it, you can make it brighter, dim it. Hold on, I forgot how to elevate it. Bright, and just holding it dims it. I love these lights. They're super affordable, super nice, high quality, and it just brings life to any vanity. Thank you guys so much for watching.